Module 9, AI and Intelligent Video Analytics in CCTV and Smart Automation. Module Overview. Modern CCTV systems are no longer passive recording tools. With the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and Internet of Things, IoT integration, cameras can now analyze, interpret, and act on visual data in real time. Module 9 covers the full spectrum of intelligent video analytics, AI-powered event detection, and automation triggers, enabling you to build smart security systems capable of automated decision-making, threat alerts, and predictive insights. 1. Evolution from traditional CCTV to intelligent systems. Traditional CCTV, simple video capture and storage, manual monitoring required. Network IP CCTV supports remote viewing and multi-camera integration. AI-enabled CCTV provides motion detection, facial recognition, vehicle plate recognition, anomaly detection, and behavioral analytics. Smart automation integration. AI feeds can trigger alarms, lights, access control systems, notifications, and emergency protocols automatically. 2. Core components of AI CCTV systems. AI cameras equipped with embedded AI processors for real-time analytics. NVR/DVR with AI support stores and processes video with AI algorithms. Cloud AI platforms enable scalable processing for large-scale analytics. IoT smart devices, lights, locks, HVAC, alarms connected to AI triggers. Edge computing devices process data locally to reduce latency. 2. Core components of AI CCTV systems. AI cameras equipped with embedded AI processors for real-time analytics. NVR/DVR with AI support stores and processes video with AI algorithms. Cloud AI platforms enables scalable processing for large-scale analytics. IoT smart devices, lights, locks, HVAC, alarms connected to AI triggers. Edge computing devices process data locally to reduce latency. 3. Key AI analytics features, motion detection and tracking. Advanced detection differentiates humans, animals, vehicles, and objects. Facial recognition. Identify known individuals or unknown intruders. License plate recognition, LPR. Detect, store, and analyze vehicle number plates. Intrusion detection. Zones are monitored. AI triggers alerts when lines are crossed. Crowd analysis. Count people. Detect abnormal behaviors in public spaces. Loitering detection. Identify suspicious behavior in restricted areas. 4. Integration with smart automation. Event-driven automation. AI triggers connected devices automatically. Intruder. Alarm plus lockdown plus camera snapshot. Motion at night. Lights turn on plus notification sent. Fire or smoke. Emergency systems activated. Predictive automation. AI analyzes patterns to predict potential security breaches. Centralized management platforms integrates AI feeds with IoT dashboards for real-time decision-making. 5. Networking and processing considerations. Bandwidth requirements. High-resolution AI analytics require significant bandwidth. Edge versus cloud processing. Edge, low latency, privacy preserved, suitable for critical real-time alerts. Cloud, scalable, AI processing intensive, suitable for storage and analytics across multiple sites. Redundancy, AI processing backup ensures no missed alerts. 6. Cybersecurity implications. AI CCTV systems are prime targets for cyber attacks due to remote access and sensitive analytics data. Best practices. Strong encryption for all video and metadata streams. Multi-factor authentication for dashboards. Regular AI software updates and patching. Isolate AI network segments with VLANs or dedicated subnets. 7. Practical implementation examples. Corporate office. AI detects unauthorized access, triggers alarms, logs events, and adjusts lighting. Smart residential home. AI analyzes motion patterns, differentiates residents versus intruders, triggers automated notifications and lights. Industrial facility, AI monitors production lines, detects anomalies, and triggers maintenance alerts or emergency shutoffs. Smart cities, AI-powered cameras manage traffic, detect accidents, identify suspicious activities, and integrate with public safety IoT systems.